video to the Matrix Nexa versus the Ecolo Cruise, which is going to be the same as the Geo, which is similar to the E-Car. They are the same on the outside. Matrix has the North American rights to this design. So you're not going to find an off make of this where you see different suppliers of this style. So there's a huge difference. There's also a big difference in price now. These I think are 9,000, no tax. These are, well, they're 10,000 plus tax. So it's really not that big of a difference. The fit and finish of the interior is so drastically different. It's mind-boggling. So not to mention the fact that this is a 1200 watt, this is a 2200 watt, 60 volt, 72 volt. That means you've got better climbing ability in this one. Bigger battery, 45 amp hour lead acid, 58 amp hour lead acid. They will get about the same distance because this is a heavier unit. So the distance is the same. Suspension, right? This is a double wishbone. So you've got a really bumpy ride. You've got a lot of spring in there, where these are struts, right? Well, it's as hard as I can do it. I could probably push that over. Quite frankly, I could. Obviously, handling, you can do a lot faster cornering this than you can. And that huge difference, this is a steering wheel, this is a handlebar. So you've got to brake with your hands, and obviously it's handlebars. It's a completely different ride. Now, people still need handlebars. Not everybody has the capabilities of using your feet for the gas and the brake. So, bigger tires, bigger chassis, and you've got more. You've got a more protected vehicle in the Nexa. They've got the they've got the protection plate underneath, where these are very exposed to the elements. So let's get a close look at what these look like inside. These don't have power locks, right? They do have the fit and finish is not the same. The handle's all the way back here, which is awkward. Manual windows. It doesn't have AC. You can see the gaps in the frame there. This one's been sitting here. We've had this since early this year, and this is just kind of, I mean, it's white. It's going to show everything, and that'll come off. And this one, and I'm not shitting on this. I swear I'm not. But this came out, and this has just been sitting here. Obviously, that's not a big deal just to pop that in, but it doesn't add to the appeal of this one. That's for sure. So power locks, right? Look at the freaking difference. Look at that. Look how the door shuts. Right? Like that's an insane difference. Touch screen, heat, AC, and they work well. This is not like the colder it is, the longer it takes to warm up, the hotter it is to cool down, right? But it's an excellent system. They're separate. They're in the front there. Swivel seat, top speed are the same for the both, but it's worth the money for this one, especially when they were the same price. I mean, hands down, why wouldn't you buy a Nexa compared to this? They're very difficult to ship. That is true. They do not come off of a tailgate. We're working on that. Try to find a shipper that can do that. But I hope this helps. I'm not saying don't buy the Geo or the Cruise. We obviously have them, and we still sell the Cruises. But this is just a better built unit, and it's that simple. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching.